Hmm?
Yeah, more stuff in the truck.
Got more stuff in the truck.
Pop and cheese pop things. Yeah, plenty of people. We're all going to gain weight tonight. No.
Oh well. I fixed 25 hamburgers, so.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 6 into 25?
4 piece.
4 piece? Oh my.
Plus we got hot dogs. Packages of hot dogs.
You didn't cook them yet, right? Okay. Yeah, them
Let's
were...
get his fair share.
Huh?
Let's get his fair share.
Yeah.
He's a big eater.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dustin done ate 2 already.
Wow. You get your crops out yet, or part of them?
Ain't even started.
Really?
I'm leased out, so it ain't my decision to make. So.
Oh, okay.
I was talking to my tenant yesterday. He figured he'd get started on beans early next week. He was saying, and then some of the fields still got green leaves in the beans. So,
oh, really?
Some are ready and some ain't.
Wow.
I talked to Robbie the other day, and he started hauling corn yet.
Oh my. And I've seen. Well, I went down south a little ways, and there's fields that are empty now.
Yeah.
They're just.
There's a lot being moved, just not for me.
I seen the bean field where the biggest part of the beans was just, turned brown, and the leaves are starting to, wrinkle off and fall off. And then there was patches of it that was just as green as.
Yep, that's what I got.